Okay, here we have a kindergarten page on addition. And we've got pictures here to help us out with the math sentence. Let's take a look at this first example. We've got 2, and they've done 2 little squares here. And we've got 1, and they've done 1 little square there. And it's saying, what does this 2 plus this 1 make? Well, if we count everything in the group, we now have 1, 2, 3. So they write the answer 3. We're going to use the images, but we're also going to use some counters here, double-sided counters, as our manipulative, something to use for counting. Let's take a look at this first question. It says 2, and they've given us 2 squares, so we can say 2 of these yellows, and 1, so we'll represent that 1 with the red side there. So we've got 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 2 plus this 1 more. How many do we have in this group now? 1, 2, 3. We can also look at our picture and see that. 1, 2, 3. We write our answer on the line right after the equal sign. 3. Let's take a look at the next question. The next question, we see 1 and we see 0. 0 is represented by, well, nothing. So how many do we have all together in this group? We have 1. Or we can say we have 1. So 1 plus nothing is still 1. Here we have just the opposite of that. We have 0. So 0 is represented by nothing. And we have 3. 1, 2, 3. So what does our 0, nothing, plus our 3 make? Well, count our shapes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 0 or nothing plus 3 is equal to 3. Here for the next one we have 1 plus 1 more. So we have 1 plus 1. We put them together. We count how many shapes we've got. We've got 1, 2. 1, 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Here we've got 2 plus 2. You can show that like this. 1, 2 plus 1, 2. 2 and 2. Put them together into one group. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Here we have 4 plus 0, or nothing. So that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus, well, nothing. So what do we have all together? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. Here we have 3 plus 0, or nothing. So that looks like this. 1, 2, 3 plus, well, nothing, 0. So how many little shapes do we have all together in these two groups? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. Here we have 0, which is nothing, plus 2. 1, 2. What's 0 plus 2 equal? Just count the little shapes. 1, 2. 1, 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Here we have 1 plus 1, 2. 2. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. That's like 1 plus 2. Put them together. How many do we have all together? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. Here we have 1. Our picture shows 1. Plus 3. This picture shows 3. 1 plus 1, 2, 3. Put them all together. Count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. We've got an interesting question. We have 0, that's nothing, plus 0, that's nothing. Using my manipulatives, it would look like this. Nothing plus nothing. So it's nothing plus nothing. How many little shapes do we have? None. Nothing. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3, 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 1. So that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, plus 1. Count all the shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. We have our last question. We've got 2, 1, 2, plus 0 or nothing. Count all the shapes. Make that with manipulatives. It looks like that. 2 plus nothing, 0. We've got 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. Math using pictures to help us solve and prove our answer.